Hi, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to unbox another budget earphones from Haylou, the Haylou X1 2023. Considering the price, the Haylou X1 can be categorized as a budget headphone. Therefore, if you are looking for an affordable earphone, you should consider this option. Now let's start unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the earbuds along with its charging case. The charging case is made out of aluminum alloy, which should make it sturdier than common plastic ones. You can also find a manual which can help you navigate the earphones if you're using them for the first time. It also includes troubleshooting tips in case the device is not working properly. The package also includes a short USB-C charging cable, though you will need your own charger adapter since it's not included in the box. The Haylou X1 2023 is a stylish and budget-friendly pair of wireless earbuds. It features a 12mm dynamic driver for immersive sound, Bluetooth 5.3 for stable connectivity, and a half-in-ear design for comfort. With ENC, environmental noise cancellation, it ensures clear calls while its IPX4 waterproof rating makes it resistant to sweat and light rain. The earbuds offer up to 24 hours of battery life with the charging case and support customizable EQ settings via the Haylou Sound app. Here's the full specs and features of the Haylou X1 2023. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.